Hello, welcome back to the channel, guys. This is my neighbour's full focus estate, and it's a bit sad because they've broken their door mirror. So can we fix it? We're going to give it a go. What could go wrong? Actually, probably lots. So the other day, this car had an argument with the fence, and the fence won. So the mirror I managed to clip it back together. Actually, let's just rotate you around a second and get a better view. So I managed to clip this back on. Obviously there's some accident damage, collateral damage I think they believe they call it, but this will no longer clip back into the housing. It's actually broken on the lugs behind there. So I think it's just a question of unscrewing it from the inside, but we're going to find out, I suppose. What could go wrong? Right. Rather conveniently, there's a ladder in the way there. Bring in for a closer view. Right guys, okay, so it's a manually adjusted mirror. There's no electrics, thank goodness. That's one less thing to worry about. I think it's just a question of pulling this off. This cowling will come off. I don't know if it's a push fit. From memory, I think I've done one of these before. I think from memory there's only 2 screws holding this mirror assembly into the door frame. Let's have a look. So this is a working car, so it's not in the best of conditions, but it's reliable, and that's the main thing. So don't judge it. So that's that bit off already. It's this easy. I'm not gonna jinx it. So how does this come apart? Okay, that's come off. It's a good start. Okay, let's set a bit off. So we've got, okay, so it's like there's a 10mm bolt through the door frame. Is that all that's holding this on? Must be more than that, surely. And then we'll feed the cable through from the outside in, and then pull it up. Yeah, we can do that. Let's get some tools. Be right back, caller. So 10mm. That is a 10mm. Let's tuck that in there because I do not want to lose that 10mm bolt, because the law of sod means it will fall out and get lost into the middle of nowhere. Oh. Don't breathe, anyone. Ta-da! Now, is it just a question of pulling it through? Yes, it is, guys. This bit might be a bit fiddly. Oh no. Just like that. Easy. Right. Let's get the new one. Ah, hello back there. That went alarmingly well. So I'm fully expecting something to go horribly wrong at some point. But let's not jinx it, eh? Suppose we should check the new mirror and see if it's the right one, I suppose. Well, certainly looks right. Or left. So now it's just a question of feeding this. I think the hardest bit's going to be feeding the wire through. You've got to try and. Well, it might be alright. Oh. Or it might just come straight through. Looking good, all lined up nicely. Flush through the rest of the body. I'll try to get that screw started. I can come around and you know what? Where's my bar gone? I'm missing my bar. Need that now. I can't afford to drop screw. Oh yeah, we're safe. I got some turns on it. And go for that. There we go. Why can't everything on the car be held on with one bolt? That's just brilliant. Don't forget to keep tightening until you hear the cracking noise. Beautiful. Right. So I'll put it back together on the inside now. Just... Oh, it's a shame the rest of the car's not the same colour. Never mind, eh? Right, you're back there again. Right, that's successfully timed up. Just give it another... Actually, no, I won't give it another nip because I don't want to break anything. So that was a 10mm for future reference. If this is an... Hello. If this is an electric version, there'd be a plug to go into the wiring loom, but obviously we haven't got any of that, which is one less thing to go wrong. You just got a manual adjuster which works beautifully. Beautiful, look at that, guys. Brand new. How does this hold? Oh, I see. You just got a spring clip there. Can you see that? No, probably not. That little tab there, that goes into that slot and change that panel to that. I think there's a couple of clips which go around the side here. Oh, so it goes on that side there and clips around. That's a piece of piss. And this presumably goes in here. There's four-star locating tabs there. Not tab, that's the wrong word, but there's 4 cutouts or slots, and they presumably go against those 4 points there. So that goes, the wider ones to this. Ah, okay, so does that, must come up through there, like that. Okay, this is going to be the fiddliest bit, because we kind of pulled the other one apart, didn't we? It pulled itself apart. That's got to be that direction. You just stay in the car nice and dry while it gets soaking wet, that's fine. Actually, it's only spitting. That's reassuring click, that's good. Tuck that one, tuck that out of the way. Come on, was it that easy? Oh no. that a locking ring? Does this do anything? I tell you what, I'm not happy with that because that's I reckon that cable's not routed properly. Holding that from behind, there's a bit of pressure on there to stop it slipping back in. Well, I meant to. Am I meant to? That's the question. So this isn't a very exciting video, guys, and you're also running out of battery. We'll have to call it a day in a second. Anyway, it's all done. Nice for watching. Thanks very much. Bye. No, we'll all get it done. Oh, that's a reassuring click. Maybe. That locked in. Oh, have we fixed it? Yes! Right, I'm calling that done. That's how you do it, boys. That's how you fix that bit on there. So don't just try and put it on afterwards, because you push the assembly back into the housing there. So bit of pressure from behind the panel, and it's a locking ring, and that stops it from moving around. And that's moving beautifully now. Right, job. So Ford Focus Estate door mirror swap. That's how you do that. I'm going to go indoors and have a cup of tea. Thanks ever so much for watching, guys. See you soon with some more content. Goodbye.